You are planning kitchen renovation and looking for kitchen renovation specialist near Epsom in Surrey? Thinking of replacing existing old damaged floor tiles? We can do this for you. New kitchen windows and kitchen doors help you reduce energy bills. Kitchen cabinet replacement or only cabinets front doors can restyle your old kitchen. Trusted plumbers for kitchen lead burst water pipe replacement waiting for your call. House water filtration system means healthy water inside the whole house, for you and your family. When kitchen is too small, create more space by kitchen extension specialist will be the best option. You want new electric kitchen installations? Or new lighting installations? Please call us. Don't forget to like our video. Please visit our website, www.localbuilderssurrey.co.uk. Thank you. Call us today.